Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda and I'm super glad to be saying things today. I can't believe I got it so soon, but it's in some messed up shape here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And this is the Boxycharm Premium already for the month of August. It is beat to hell. It was supposed to be here yesterday, but it was not. It said by 7 p.m. and it lied, but it was here pretty early today. So let's take a look and see what we have. I cannot wait to see what I have in the premium. I don't even remember what I chose, but it looks like this. Oh, I do remember. I chose this. Oh, it's so heavy. The Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. I was excited to get this. This is so heavy because it's a glass jar. It's like, whew, it got some heft to it. Let's see if we can find a card. No card. No card. No card. So this is like 60 bucks. I'm gonna just have to guess how much everything is. So this is like 60 bucks. So it's pretty exciting to have this. That was my choice. Then I got the Daily Concepts Daily Brush Detox Massaging Brush. It's 100% natural bristles, and it says it again in another language. And this is for smoothing and softening skin, ideal. Oh, then it says it in French. Stimulate circulation and detox skin for radiant skin. So that's nice, and it's very hefty. It feels very substantial. And Daily Concepts has some very nice quality things. And it's also good for dry brushing. Oh, it says it's for dry brushing, which I need to look into that. And I know that's when you brush your skin dry. Then we have a full-size mascara from Tarte. It's Light Camera Splashes. It's the waterproof mascara. I think it's got a pretty fancy tube. It's very fancy. It's glittery, which I love the glitter. And I don't know if I'm going to try this out or sell it on Mercari. I'm not sure. But this is at least a $20 or $25 mascara. That brush is probably 10 bucks, maybe 15. Then I have the extra large Lash Volumizer, and it's a volumizing primer for lashes. It says eyelash eyebrow booster formula. Oh, this is to grow your lashes, and it transforms lashes to appear longer, thicker, fuller, stronger, like Superman. Longer, faster than a speeding bullet. It'll make your lashes grow like crazy. Conditioning treatment works to bolster, moisturize, and fortify. And this is by Dermalect. It's beautiful packaging. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this either. I've got a lash booster that I don't use right now, but it's in a very cool square, so it'd be easy to differentiate from some other things that you might have. So this is probably 40 or 50 bucks, I would say. And then last but not least, oh no, there's something else. I'll go to this. I'll save the best for last. And then we have, oh, a MAC lipstick. It's a satin lipstick. And it is in, I can't read that, small. Snob. I am a snob. I'm a lipstick snob. I don't like to wear stick lipstick, but it looks like a beautiful color. And these are like 18 to 20 bucks. And it is a really beautifully pinky nude color. And I would totally wear this if maybe I'll hang on to this if I feel like wearing a regular lipstick. This is a great color, and I could totally wear that with almost anything because it's a pinky nude. And I like the name Snob. I'm snobby, see? Ha. I'm a snob. And now, last but not least, we have from Ciate the Editor Palette, and it's called New England. I have no idea what this looks like. And this is probably a $30 palette, around there. beautiful pink case. It's got like little leaves on it. Ooh, this is super pretty. Let me take the plastic off. This is gorgeous. Look at that. I'm gonna keep it, so I'm gonna swatch some. They feel buttery. Let me get that gold again. It was a shimmer. Well, it's buildable, but those are really pretty colors. And I love that kind of cadet blue, gray blue with a little bit of purple sheen in it. That's really pretty. I'm gonna look forward to using this palette from Ciate London, the editor palette. So we got a palette, we got waterproof mascara, we got a fancy lipstick, we got fancy eyelash serum, we got fancy, this is a very fancy box. It's the premium, it should be fancy. And then we have the CEO Riley cream, and then the daily brush. And this has got to be probably a $200 box for sure, at the very least. It's more than, I know it's more than a $200 box, but I'm really happy with it. Thanks, Boxycharm. Way to go, pal. And this was the Boxycharm Premium, y'all. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Oh, my bangs are crazy. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you real soon. Bye. Have a lovely one.